Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of car safety and the surprising truth about some popular vehicles. You might think that the most popular cars and SUVs are the safest choices, but that's not always the case. So, let's explore why and uncover some safer alternatives. First off, a quick disclaimer: I'm not a car expert, but I'm going to share some insights based on Consumer Reports analysis. Now, let's talk about why popularity doesn't always equate to safety. The popular versus the safer. Consumer Reports analyzed some popular cars and SUVs, and surprisingly, some of them didn't score well in terms of safety. Here's the breakdown. Large SUVs. Some popular choices might lack advanced safety features like automatic emergency braking, which is crucial for highway speeds and pedestrian detection. Mid-sized SUVs. Similar to their larger counterparts, some mid-size SUVs may not have the latest crash prevention technology, which can be a significant safety concern. Luxury SUVs. Even high-end vehicles can sometimes fall short in terms of safety, especially if they don't come with standard safety features. Subcompact SUVs. Smaller SUVs might be overlooked, but they can still offer excellent safety features if chosen wisely. Sedans, often considered more traditional, can also have safety issues if they lack essential crash prevention technology. Safer choices. Now, let's look at some safer alternatives that Consumer Reports recommends. Large SUVs. Instead of popular choices, consider models with advanced safety features like highway speed automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, and blind spot warning. Mid-sized SUVs. Look for mid-size SUVs that excel in handling, braking, and have the latest safety technology. Luxury SUVs. Opt for luxury SUVs that prioritize safety, ensuring they come with standard safety features and excellent crash test scores. Subcompact SUVs. Smaller SUVs can be safe too. Choose models with advanced safety features and good handling. Sedans. For sedans, prioritize those with automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, and high crash test ratings. Why it matters. You might be thinking, so what if a car isn't the safest? Well, personally, I think it's crucial to understand that safety should be a top priority. Modern cars are packed with technology, and some of these safety features can be life-saving. By choosing safer options, you're not just buying a car, you're investing in your peace of mind and the well-being of your loved ones. Final thoughts. In my opinion, it's essential to look beyond popularity when it comes to car safety. While some popular vehicles might be fine, others could be missing out on critical safety features. By making informed choices, we can ensure that we're getting the best protection on the road. So, the next time you're in the market for a new car, remember to check the safety features and consider the safer alternatives. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful content.